Sir, you're not audible.
Good morning, sir.
Hello. Am I audible now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sixth question was the last
Good morning,
we
sir.
completed now.
Good morning, sir.
We are done this sixth one. This question. In making 1000
No, sir.
revolutions, a wheel covers 88 kilometers. The diameter of the wheel is. So this 88 kilometers should be divided by the number of revolutions to get circumference. Isn't it?
Yes, sir.
So circumference is nothing but
Pi d.
88 kilometer divided by 1000. This circumference is 2 pi r. 2 into 22 upon 7 into r is 88 divided by 1000. 2r if you are retaining here, rest of the things if you transpose we get diameter. So diameter will be given by 88 divided by 100 into 7 divided by 22. 100
1000.
yes, 1000. This will be 22 4 times 88. So we will be getting 28 divided by 1000. It will be 0.0. Oh, it's there in kilometer, right?
But sir, you can still do, sir. Then you can convert to meter.
Yeah. 0.028 kilometers.
Yes, sir.
If you convert this in terms of centimeter, we need to multiply by 1000. We will be getting
1000.
so 28 centimeter will be the diameter. So this is not a difficult question, isn't it?
28 meters, sir.
Sir, 28 meter.
Oh, we have converted in terms of meters. So 1000 is multiplied. So meters, 28 meters. So 28 meters is the answer. Question number 7. The diameter of a wheel is 40 centimeter. How many revolutions will it make in covering 176 meters? They have given the diameter. What
Sir,
to
we
do
have to
now?
convert 176 to centimeter first.
We can convert this in centimeter. Okay, converted. Then
Sir, we should use pi d formula divided by 176.
divided by 176 are
Sir, 176
176
divided by
divided by.
pi.
So
176.
176 in terms of centimeter will be into 100 divided
17,600.
by pi d. 22 upon 7 into diameter 40.
40.
This will give us the number of revolutions. So one of the
So 140.
can sense this.
Option A, 140.
140 we get.
Yes, sir.
This 22 divides 176.
Yes, sir.
How much it will be?
8, sir.
8. So this will be 8. This will become 2 times. So this denominator will come to numerator 7 times of 2 into 10. 140. Very good. Question number 8. The radius of the wheel is 0.25 meters. How many revolutions will it make in covering? It's like the same question. Instead of pi d now, we'll use 2 pi r because they have given the radius. So 11 kilometers. Let's convert in terms of meters into 1000 meters divided by 2 pi r, 2 into 22 upon 7 into the radius 0.25.
Answer is 7,000.
7000. Okay, sir. This 11 2 times. This will be 4 times of 0.25, which is 1. So we get 7 multiplied to 1000. We get as 7000. Very good. Find the circumference of a circle whose diameter is 21 centimeter. Circumference is 2 pi r. 2 into 22 upon 7 into radius is 21 divided by
66
2.
centimeter.
2 and 2 get cancelled. This will be 3 times. We get it as 66 centimeters. Very good, sir. Find the area of the circle whose circumference is 52.8 centimeter. When they give the circumference, we can find the radius. Radius will be equal to the given circumference divided by 22 by 7 into 2. 2 times, no? 2 pi r. 7
52.8
times
into
of
7 by 44.
52.8 divided by 44. 7 times of 52.8 divided by 44. I think they get cancelled. We get
Sir,
it as
48,
8.4.
44, 12 times is 8 point. 44,
8.4.
12. Yes, sir.
Radius we get it as 8.4. Now we have to use pi r square is the area. So 22 by 7 into 8.4 into 8.4. This will be 1.2 times. So 22 multiplied to 1.2 multiplied to 8.4. We get it as 221.76. Option A. If you calculate this, 22 into 1.2 into 8.4, we get it as 221.76. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Let's look at the next one. A steel wire is bent in the form of a square, encloses an area of 121 square centimeter. The same wire is bent in the form of circle. Find the area of the circle. Will the area remain same?
No, sir.
No,
Area
sir.
will not remain same, but the perimeter remains same.
Perimeter will be same.
Yes, sir. So we have to
Perimeter
make use
is
of this concept. Perimeter of square equal to circumference of circle. This concept should be used. Why did they give the area? Area is given so that you will find
to
out
find out the side of square
circumference, side of a
Yes, sir.
square.
11.
and then find out perimeter of square.
Correct, sir.
Yes, sir. Perimeter
Area
is
of
44.
square is given as 121 square centimeter square. So area
Square
is
root
side
of
square.
121.
So side will be a root of 121 centimeter square. It will become equal to 11. So here we equate the perimeter. So perimeter of the square is
44.
44
44
centimeter.
equated to circumference of
2 pi r.
circle 2
So
pi r.
154 centimeter square. Option C is the right answer.
2 pi r instead of pi. Let me take 22 by 7. 22 by 7 into r. So this get cancelled. Radius we get as 7.
7. Yes, sir.
So area we need to
Area
find
154, sir.
22 upon
154.
7 into 7 into
Into
7.
7 into 7. 7 cancel.
154. Yes, sir. Very good. 154 centimeter square. It's easy?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Let's see the next question. If the perimeter of a semicircular protractor is 36 centimeter, find the diameter. They have given perimeter of semicircular protractor.
Sir, we should use
What do you
formula
mean?
pi d by 2 plus d. Pi d by 2 plus d, sir.
Very good, sir. It's half of the circumference, this part,
Sir,
to be
1 by
added to
4
diameter.
into.
This
Yes, sir.
diameter also should be added. So half of the circumference is 2 pi r by 2. So pi r
Yes, sir.
pi r plus
Plus
d.
D.
Pi r plus d we need to calculate. They have
Yes.
given what? They have given the perimeter of semicircle. This itself is given. This is equal to 36. From this we need to find the value of d. How do we find?
36 minus pi r.
No, instead of d, let me consider 2r. So that
Yes.
r can be taken out. 2 plus pi is 36. So r times of 2 plus 22 upon 7 is 36. So when we take the LCM, this will be 14 plus 22. 36 है ना? 36 by
36.
7
Yes.
equal to 36. So r we get it as 7. So the diameter will be 2 times
14
of 7,
centimeters.
14.
14.
14 centimeter. So very important thing is this diameter also should be considered in finding the perimeter. That's the major thing. Question number 13. The area of a square and a rectangle are equal if the side of the square is 40 centimeter and breadth of the rectangle is 25 centimeter. Find the length. It's easy.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Area are
64
equal.
1600
centimeters.
divided by 25.
Area of square is side
1600
into side.
by 25.
Side into
64
side.
is answer.
Area of rectangle is length into breadth. So length times of 25. So L we need to find. So
64.
40 into
centimeter.
40 divided by 25. 5 times
64
16
centimeter.
times. Oh no, 5 8 times. Sorry. 5 8 times. So length
So
we get
5
it
times
as
8 times.
64 centimeters. So it is also easy. Now we are in the set 4. The circumference, the surface area of a cuboid is.
So option A,
Option
Q
A,
into
sir.
LB plus BH plus LH.
Surface area, when they give, it refers to total surface area. If they don't mention, you should consider it as total only. So 2 times of LB plus BH plus LH is the right formula. The surface area of a cube of
Option
X
B,
is
sir.
equal to A.
6a
So
square.
option B,
6
6
A
S square.
Option B, sir.
Very good. Next, the length, breadth, and height of a room are 5, 4, and 3 respectively. The cost of whitewashing its 4 walls at the rate of 7.50 per meter square is. So they have given its whitewashing is done on 4 faces only, 4
Lateral
walls.
surface area.
Yes, lateral surface area. The bases should be neglected. So
This is
lateral
fine.
surface
Yes,
area
sir.
will be what? 2 times of
2LB plus
2 times of L
2BH
plus B,
plus
sir.
HL.
LH plus BH. LB should not be considered, sir.
Sir, 2h times of L plus B, sir.
2H times of L plus B. Correct. So when we calculate, it is 2 times of, they have given the height as 3 into L plus B. This is L, this is B. L plus B is 9.
54.
9, sir.
54 we get. 54. This is in terms of
Meter.
meters, so meter square. So the cost will be
7.5 into 54 meter square.
7.5 into 54. What's that? 7.5 into 54 is much.
So 4050. No.
No, one decimal is also there here.
Yes.
405, no? Rupees 405.
Yes, sir.
Option is
And
not there.
that option is not there. Here the options given are wrong. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes, 405 is the right answer. That option is missing here. Let's see the question number 4. The perimeter of floor of a rectangular wall is rectangular hall is 250 meter. Perimeter of floor means it is L into B. No, L plus 2 times of L plus B.
2 times L. Yes.
The cost of whitewashing its floor wall is 15000, 15,000. Height of the room is.
Sir, 250 into H is equal to 15,000, sir. H is equal to 15,000 divided by 250.
So it's something like this. LSA is given in
60.
terms of 2 times of H into L plus B. This is lateral surface area.
Yes,
Cast
sir.
is given. This is the cast. And they have given perimeter of the floor
Yes, sir. L.
means 2 times of L plus B is given. Is 250 meter. This is perimeter of
L plus
floor.
B is 120.
Not required, I think.
Sir, uh, that length plus breadth is given now, sir. You have to just multiply with 2 times of height, sir.
No, 250 into H. 250
Yes,
into H, no?
yes, sir.
This will be the area.
2 times,
We have
sir.
given the cost.
Sir, 2 times of H should be there.
Why 2 times here?
Sir, because 2 times of H multiplied to L plus B.
2 times of H multiplied to L plus B is same as H multiplied to 2 times of L plus B.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. 2
No.
times of L plus B is 250
Yeah,
into
this
H.
itself is given. This is perimeter.
Okay, sir.
They have given the cost. What to do now? They have not given the cost per meter square.
Yes, sir. Per meter square is not.
They should give that. Otherwise, how do we calculate the area?
If they give that, we can divide 15,000 divided by per meter square and find that
Area.
surface area.
That surface area can be equated. But here the cost per meter square is not given. What do we do now? Question is incomplete.
Sir,
Here,
we know length plus breadth. No, sir. We have to multiply 2H multiply to that and we'll get total area. No, sir. You have to multiply
no,
that.
this is the area. Area we have obtained. No doubt. They have given the cost here. They have not given the area. To
Yes, sir.
find the area, we require cost per meter square. This must be given. If it is not given, question is incomplete. Suppose if I give the question as cost per meter square area as like the previous one 7.5. In that case, area will be equal to area of whitewash will be equal to 15000 divided by 7.5. We get it as 2000. This 2000 should be equated to here. So 2000 equal to 250h. Then we can calculate height. 2000 divided by 250. We
8.
get it as 8. 8 what meters? 8 meters. 8 meters could have been the answer if they provide this information that rate of whitewashing is 7.5 per meter square.
Per meter square.
Understood?
Yes, sir.
The
Yes, sir.
question was incomplete. Yes, observe the next question. Breadth of the room is twice its height and half its length. Volume of the room is 512 decimeters cube, dm cube. Its dimensions are. Yes, what do you understand from this?
Sir, we have to take one value for breadth. If we take breadth, sir, it will be x. Then it will be 2x. The height will be 2x, sir. And
Breadth if I
Breadth
take as
is
x.
2 times height, length is 2 times breadth, and height is h, sir.
According to this, breadth of the room is
No, sir,
twice its
breadth
height.
is 2x. If height
Twice
is
its
x,
height,
then breadth is
x by 2.
2x.
If I consider breadth itself as x, no, height will become x by 2. And
Yes,
the
sir.
breadth is half its length. So what will be the length? 2x. If the
Yes,
length
sir.
is 2x, then only breadth will become x. It is
Yes.
the reverse way I have taken. So that everything is there in terms of x. Volume of the room means length into breadth into height. X into
Height
x by
LBH.
2 into 2x.
2x.
This
2x
is
is equal to
512
512.
dm
Sir,
cube.
what is that dm?
Decimeter cube. Deci refers to 1 by 10.
Yes.
Like centimeter cube, centimeter into centimeter into centimeter here, decimeter into decimeter into decimeter. This gives dm cube. So
Yes,
x
sir.
cube
X
value
cube
is
equal to
512
512.
decimeter cube. So x
Yes.
value will be what?
8.
512 is a
Sir, 8. Cube
cube
of 8.
number.
8.
Yes, it's 8 decimeter. 8 decimeter is the value of x. So breadth is 8 decimeter. Height will be 4 decimeter. And the length will be
16.
16
16.
decimeter. Where this option is there, that we
Option
have to
A, sir.
locate.
sir,
It's there
So
in
option
option.
A.
now I'll add one extension in the question. Express in cm, sir. How you will solve, sir?
Express in terms of cm. Wherever dm is there, we have to replace with cm here.
We have to convert it into centimeters.
Sir, you should multiply by 10, sir. Or we should.
Our same question you want to express in terms of centimeter.
Yes, sir.
Same question if you want to express in terms of centimeter, answer will be 1.6 centimeter, 0.8. Oh, sorry, it's in meter now. First, we'll convert in terms of meter, 1.6 meter, 0.8 meter, 0.4 meter. Now you convert in terms of centimeter. कितना होगा? Into
160
100.
cm, sir.
16.
160, sir.
Sir, 160.
100. 160. This will be 80. This will be 40.
Yes.
Okay, sir.
Understood?
Yes, sir.
cm refers to centimeter, which is 100 meter. dm refers to deci, 1 by 10 meter. So this 1 by 10 is multiplied to this number 1.6. 1 by 10 multiplied to 8 is 0.8. 1 by 10 multiplied to 4 is 0.4. Understood?
Yes, sir.
If the faces are x, y, z, if three adjacent faces are x, y, z, its volume is, what will be the volume? What do you understand from this question here?
Root of x multiplied to root of y
XY.
multiplied to root of z, sir.
No.
Option A. XYZ.
Sir, volume will be root of x multiplied to root of y multiplied to root of z, sir.
What is the meaning of adjacent faces?
Sir, they are
That is
Side
the
by side.
area here.
They are next to each other.
That is area. Means when I consider L into B, it is x. B into h, it is y. L into h, it is z. It is like that. These are the adjacent faces. Adjacent faces. You multiply all these three, you will get what?
X, Y, and Z, sir. X, Y, Z.
LBH whole square, no?
Sir, volume square equals XYZ. Option C.
Sir, that only, sir. V is equal to root of XYZ, sir.
Root of XYZ. Very good, sir. Volume square is XYZ. Volume will be root of XYZ. So none of this is the answer. Because the
Sir,
adjacent
option
face.
C is
Option C.
Okay, volume
option C
square.
Oh,
is
correct. Option C is correct. Because they have not given volume equal to volume square equal to XYZ. It's correct.
Sir, they're asking volume V, sir. Only V.
Its volume V is. Its volume V can be expressed by this equation. So this should be considered as V is equal to root of XYZ. We are getting V is equal to root of XYZ. You understood? Adjacent face refers to area. When I consider the combination of length into breadth, it is x units. Actually, it is x square units. BH is y square units. LH is z square units. These are multiplied together to get the volume.
The volume should be in cubes, sir. So the option B is the correct answer, sir.
No,
Volume.
volume is given by the formula V is equal to length into breadth into height. Correct. Here we are not getting length into breadth into height by multiplying. We are getting length square into breadth square into height square, which is XYZ. We are getting LBH whole square equal to XYZ. This LBH is what? Volume. V square is equal to XYZ. We got the same expression.
Sir, why V is equal to XYZ? Why it will come root XYZ, sir? Not
If you want
only
to find V,
because it is L square into B square into H square. So in general, V square equals XYZ and B equals XYZ root.
here you can see the expression, no?
Sir,
Yes,
LBH whole square
understood.
equal to. Take square root on both the side. We will be getting LBH equal to root of XYZ. This LBH itself is volume. V is equal to root of XYZ. If you square
Yes.
it, V square is equal to XYZ. Understood?
Yes, sir. Sir, in exam, I will put none of this.
Oh, no, don't put none of this here. In the examination, you have to write this option C only. If option C is not given, then none of this.
Okay, sir.
Question number 7. Two cubes of each of edge 12 centimeter are joined. The surface area of the new cuboid is. When two cubes are joined together, it becomes a cuboid. And it would look like this. Here one cube, here one more cube.
The length will be 24.
24, 12,
Length will
and
increase. Very good. Length will become
24,
24.
12 and 12.
Breadth
yes, sir.
will become 12. Height will be 12.
Height will be
12.
same.
So this if you multiply, we get volume. The question is surface area. We have to use
2
the
into LB
formula
plus
2
BH
times of
into LH.
LB plus BH plus LH. This is surface area. So 2 times of 24 into 12 plus BH 12 into 12 plus LH is 24 into 12. What is 24 into 12?
Sir,
288.
288.
So 2 times of 288
288.
plus 144 plus 288.
Sir, 288 plus 288, 576, sir.
Correct. Plus 144.
620, sir.
So 720.
720 into 2. 1440.
Yes,
Plus
sir.
into 2 also we have to do.
Option B.
Option B, 1440 centimeter square. Question number 8. The curved surface area of cylinder of height h and base radius r is
2 pi RS,
2
sir.
pi
Option
RH,
A,
sir.
sir.
Option A.
Option A.
2 pi rh.
Option A, sir. 2 pi RH.
The total surface area of the cylinder,
Option B.
base radius is r,
Sir,
height is
option B,
h.
sir. 2
Option
pi
B,
RH.
sir.
Option
2
B.
pi r into r plus h.
2 pi R.
Yes,
Yes,
2
sir.
pi
Option B.
r into r plus h. No, option B, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Option B.
Yes, sir.
Hmm.
Option B.
The curved surface area of cylinder of height 14 centimeter is 88 centimeter square. The diameter of its circular base is. The curved surface area of height is given. Curved
44
surface
by
area is
7
given by
into
2
Height
pi
D,
r
14
h.
into
14
1.
equals 88.
2 pi rh is equal to 88. 2r if I combine, this will be d. D will be equal to 88 divided by pi h.
2 cm, sir.
88 divided by
Answer is 2, sir.
22 into
2
7,
centimeters.
radius of
Yes, sir. Answer
height
is
is
option
50.
D. 2
Option D,
centimeters.
sir.
This will be 4 times, this will be,
Radius will be 1 centimeter, sir.
radius will be 1 centimeter. They have given the diameter to be
2
Yes, sir.
centimeters.
The
2
diameter. 2
centimeter,
centimeters.
option D.
Sir,
Question number 11. Yes, sir.
sir, can we find a constant formula for finding area of circle using diameter?
Area of circle using diameter.
We can
Area
find
is
We can
given by
write
pi r
divided
square,
by 2, sir.
d
divided
by
2,
2
sir.
whole square.
Divided by 2.
Or we can write it
Yes.
as pi d square by 4.
Okay, sir.
Question number 11. It is required to make a closed cylindrical tank of height 1 meter and base diameter 140 centimeter from a metal sheet. How many square meters of sheet is required for the same?
Total
They have
surface
given
area.
is the diameter and they have given the
Yes.
height, and it is a cylindrical tank. We need to find out the surface area, and they have given it as a closed. So from all the side we have to consider. So 2 pi r into r
Total
plus h.
surface area. Yes, sir.
2 pi r into r
2 pi
plus
r
h.
H plus
plus.
R.
Yes.
2 pi r into r plus h will be equal to 2 times of 22 by 7 into radius. Radius is half of this, 70,
70.
70.
70 centimeters.
into 70 plus height is 1
100.
meter, which is 100
100.
centimeter. So 170 to be multiplied to 10 to be multiplied to 44. 170 into
440 into
440,
170.
7,
Get
7, 4.
So 74,800.
740.
This
Yes, sir.
is in terms of
7.48
centimeter.
option C, sir.
This is there in terms of
7.48 meters
centimeter
square.
square. You have to
Yes, sir.
divide by 1000 to get
Divide
it as
by
meter square.
10,000.
10,000, sir. 10,000.
10,000, sir.
10,000. Yes, sir. 7.48 we get.
1.48. Yes, sir.
Yes, correct. Question number
Sir, why
12.
divided by 10,000, sir?
Why we have to divide by 10,000? Very good question.
1 meter is 100 centimeter. 1 meter square is equal
It
to
is like
10,000 centimeter.
174,800 centimeter into centimeter. You will agree. Centimeter square,
Yes, sir.
8
We will agree.
centimeter into centimeter. 74800 into this centimeter convert in terms of meter divided by 100 into 1 by 100. We get meter square. So 100 into 100 is 10,000. So we are dividing by 10,000. So we get the answer as 7.48. Understood?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Set 5. The diameter of a roller is 84 centimeter and its length is 120 centimeter. It takes 500 complete revolutions to move once over to level a playground. The area of the playground in meter square is.
Lateral surface area into 500,
Yes,
sir.
sir. Curved
It
surface
is
area.
curved surface area. We will not say lateral surface area for a curved
Yes,
figures.
sir.
So curved surface
Yes,
area
Curved
into
surface area
into 500
number of revolutions.
is
So
equals to
curved
the
surface
area of
area to find
playground.
here. This is the
2 pi
length,
rh, sir.
which is nothing but height of the cylinder.
So 2 pi r plus h.
That is
Diameter is
42
given.
centimeter.
Radius will be half of that,
42
42
centimeter.
42
42 cm.
centimeter.
Length
Curved
is
surface
120.
area 2 pi
2
2
pi
rh.
pi
r.
rh
So 2 into
2 pi
22 by
r.
7 into r 42 into h 120
120, sir.
into number of
7
revolution is 500.
60 ja.
Here whatever you calculate, no, you will get in terms of
area of
centimeter
playground.
square.
Centimeter
Centimeter
square.
square.
You have
We
to
need to
again divide
convert
by
in
10.
terms. Yes, sir.
Meter square.
Divided by
Bit
10,000.
10,000.
10,000, sir.
Yes, sir. Two
500 on the
zeros, one
500,
zero
200.
get cancelled. 5 two times. 2 and 2 will get cancelled.
22 into
7 6
72.
times is 42. So it is 6 multiplied to 22 multiplied to 12.
So
72 into
1584.
22.
Sir,
72 into
1584.
So option
22.
A 1584.
1584.
1584. Yes, very good. 1584 meter square.
Yes.
Yes, any doubt?
No,
Yes, sir. I have a doubt in factorization, sir. In factorization of quadratic polynomial by using the method of completing, sir. In that I have doubt, sir.
By using the method of completing square
Yes, sir.
in 15th class. Hmm.
In that step is there, sir. In that step we have to subtract the half. We have to subtract the half of the previous number, and we have to add that also, sir.
Half of the previous number and add. In
Yes,
completing
sir.
square method, we are taking the square and adding.
Yes, sir. Of the previous number.
What is the question?
3m square
3x square
plus sir, m square
no problem, x square also will get
plus
cancelled.
plus 24x 24m, sir,
Hmm.
plus 36.
sir, you can take 3 common, sir.
Correct, we can take
Yes, sir.
3
We
common.
can take 3
M square
common.
plus
8m
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 8m plus
plus
12.
plus 12
plus 12.
plus 12.
Common constant
So
is
here we
12
get
m.
6
12
the
m.
terms, sir.
This is not a complete square. You will
6
agree.
and 2, sir.
Split.
6 and 2, sir.
No,
Yes.
in splitting the middle term, we get 6 and 2. This is not a
Yes,
complete
sir.
square.
6 into, yes, sir.
To make it as a complete square, we have to do something. Means half of this number should be considered and it should be added. And it should be subtracted. Something like this. 3 times of m square plus 8m plus, if I make it as 16, I have to subtract 4. You will agree
Yes, sir.
Yes,
this
sir.
step?
Yes, sir.
What will be this, sir?
This will be one square number, 4 will be another square number, sir.
This will be m plus 4 whole square
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
minus 2 square. Now this is something like x square minus y square, which is x plus y into x minus y. Correct? No, Ashutosh?
Yes, sir.
So 3
In the
times
third step, I
of
am confused, sir.
m plus 4 plus 2 into m
m
plus
plus 4 minus 2.
4 minus 2. We get 3 times of m plus 6 into m plus 2.
Plus 2.
This is the answer. This is in terms of 9th class completing the square method. But we are in class 8th. We use splitting the middle term method. Till this step it is same. 3 times of m square plus 8m plus 12 till it is same. Now we will consider the sum and the product. Here the sum we have to get it as 8. Product we have to get it as 12. 6 into 2. 6 plus 2. So 3 times of m square plus 6m plus 2m plus 12.
Plus 12.
So 3 m common m plus 6
M plus 6.
plus 2 common m plus
Common
6.
M plus. Yes, sir.
Now we get 3 times of m plus 6
m
is
plus
common.
6 plus
M
m.
plus 2 is
2 is the
remaining.
common.
Same
Yes,
answer
sir.
no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, in
Sir,
first
why
method
this method was necessary, sir? This left side.
Sir, if they asked to do in this method, first one, can we do in the second type, sir?
You can solve. Actually, this 9th class completing the square method is not there for 8th class.
sir, you are basically
No, sir, why
splitting.
this step is
Here
necessary
in the
when we
second.
can do it in step?
Why they have considered this completing the square method when we know splitting the middle term? Very good question.
Yes, sir.
There is a formula called as a quadratic formula. The base for this formula is completing the square method. To obtain this formula, they used completing the square method. So what they have done in the syllabus is they have told the method of completing square before this quadratic formula. So some questions are been given so that you will understand the method of completing square. When we will derive the formula, this quadratic formula is also known as Sridharacharya's formula, which is minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. This is the formula. To get this formula, the method is used. So not to worry about that. For you in 8th class, this is only important. This method is splitting middle term.
Middle term. Yes, sir.
Okay, sir. Ashutosh, understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Martandaya, understood? Is not there. Any doubt?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
Now we shall continue the remaining questions.